party. You're a Parjeevi party. You're a parasitic party. Is not even on air. Parjeevi parasitic party that has no base on its own, that has no standing on its own. Look to your right, Mr. Sabharwal. Look to your right, Mr. Sabharwal. Look to your right. Look to your right. इधर देखिए. इधर देखिए.
Election Commission of this country is a parasite for the Prime Minister.
One minute. Just
What did you just say?
No. One minute.
What did he just say?
I want.
really
He was
object to
straight
take a
in
break.
front of the house of the Prime Minister. How dare he has told the Congress party as an anti-national party.
Not just an anti-national party, but an anti-national party.
Congress.
But an anti-national party, a Parjeevi party, a parasitic party
He's a
that, according to the Prime Minister,
He's
is connected to a global conspiracy against India.
He has manipulated the election with the help of the EC. They are a parasite. They are parasite for him. Ambani, Adani, and EC are parasite for the BJP. The people of Haryana have not rejected us. They have given us equal number of votes. The AAP party has taken us 2% votes.
Oh!
Has
Attacks
taken
up!
2% votes.
Attacks up!
And lot of ticket wrong distribution.
Attacks up! Anmol, coming to the debate. Raghav Chadda sometime back, what did he say, Abhishek?
He said, had the alliance been there, things could have been
Had the alliance been there, things could have been better. Whose job was it to make the alliance happen? Was it not the Congress party's job? Open fight, ladies and gentlemen, happening between the Congress party and the Aam Aadmi party. And the Congress party says on my program, and has been saying all through the day, that if there's one party responsible for its defeat in Haryana, it is the Aam Aadmi party.
We should have done alliance with them.
No, you didn't do the alliance.
We did a mistake.
You did a mistake. How far did it go? How many seats would you have given them?
India Alliance will fight because the manipulative parasite has to be given a lesson by the India Alliance. Every state.
Which India Alliance?
India Alliance will
Which
fight.
India Alliance?
We should have given one ticket to Samajwadi Party in a Yadav bed.
Oh, right. Oh, well, you say now. He says now, we should have taken and given seats to Aam Aadmi Party. Why didn't they? He says we should have given a few seats to Samajwadi Party. Did anyone offer Akhilesh? I want a response from Anmol. Anmol, this post-facto thinking requires a response from you.
Arnab, I think that the Congress seem to be overconfident because certainly if the alliance had formed, we would have contested election more strongly, but it didn't materialize. But now it serves no purpose to discuss this, but the fact remains that the people of Haryana have 2% people of Haryana have voted for Aam Aadmi Party. They believe in the Kaam Ki Rajniti of Arvind Kejriwal. And things would have been different if our leader would not have been put behind bars by the Bharatiya Janata Party. All our senior leaders were incarcerated in a false and fabricated so-called liquor scam, wherein they are getting raps from the Honorable Supreme Court day in and day out. So we would have been in a position. We would have been in a position to win this election because the way this Arvind Kejriwal model of governance is resonating with the people of this country. People want the basic necessities of life. People want free electricity. People want free water.
Are you saying that the courts,
people
are you
want
reposing,
education
are
and
you stating that you have no faith in the courts of India? What are these false cases?
No,
who decides the false cases? Are you mocking the judiciary of India? Are you telling the people of India that you have no faith in the courts?
That you don't have any direct evidence against Mr. Kejriwal? That he was kept behind bars without any proof.
Are you saying
that? This case will fall flat in 2 minutes.
Is that your official
These are very serious observations which were made by the Honorable Supreme Court.
Same as that.
And it was not just about Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's bail. Even while Mr. Sisodia was granted bail, the Supreme Court made similar observations.
Are you saying that? Are you saying that?